How to change sound on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Select a sound of your choice from here. You have now successfully added this sound to your post. If you want to change this sound, go to the top and tap on the cross button beside the song name to remove this sound. Now tap on Add Sound again to select another sound. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily change sound on TikTok.